Hi there, I'm so glad you stopped by this video. If you are looking for a bedding set or a comforter set for the special guy or young boy in your life, you're at the right place. I've put together a real nice page. I hope you like it over at squidoo.com. It's masculine duvet covers for men. I'll give you that link. And what I've done is put together guy approved comforter sets. And by guy approved, I say my husband, because he's pretty picky about certain things, and I ran some of these ideas by him, and he liked them, and we talked about different fabrics and what's easy to take care of. And we also kept the young man in mind, the college student who's maybe in a dorm room, or the teenage boy in your house, things that you'd like to have for them, easy to take care of. And we have also found some absolutely gorgeous styles, some very elegant styles for that special gift, for that special man in your life. And while you're over at the site, I'd love to have your comments. There's a little guest book towards the bottom of the page. Happy to read your comments and suggestions if you think I missed anything. And we also have a number of places on the page where you can like it for Facebook, tweet it, or Google Plus, or pin it to your Pinterest board. And that those buttons are at the top of the page and also down in the text. So head on over. We're happy to have you. Hope that you find the style that you need, the perfect gift, and we look forward to meeting you over there soon. Thanks again so much for visiting, and take care now. Have a great day.